UNSC President T.S. Tirumurti told reporters that the situation in Afghanistan is of deep concern and that we cannot have terrorist camps once again going back into the war-torn country. He made the remarks while briefing reporters in the Council's program of work as India assumed the rotating presidency for this month. Tirumurti also cited a UN report that said that the number of casualties in Afghanistan during the months of May and June exceeded the number between January and April, proving that violence was actually increasing. As far as India was concerned, he said that India wants to see an independent, peaceful and stable Afghanistan since durable peace in the country had direct implications on surrounding regions as well.
All violence must come to an end. And ties with international terrorism should also be cut. And we cannot have terrorist camps once again moving back into Afghanistan. And this will have a direct impact on India.
He also said the targeted killings had increased and women, girls and minorities were being systematically targeted in Afghanistan. Tirumurti stressed for a lasting political settlement through an inclusive Afghan-led, Afghan-owned and Afghan-controlled process, and said that it is extremely important to have that.
So a lasting political settlement through an inclusive Afghan-led and an Afghan-owned and an Afghan-controlled process. I think it's extremely important because I think it's important for us to protect the gains which we have had in the last nearly 20 years. And it's extremely important, once again, that they are respectful to the aspirations of the Afghan women, the youth and the minorities.
On whether the US withdrawal from Afghanistan was timely, Tirumurti refused to comment on another country's decision and said that it was the Security Council's concern to support Afghanistan in becoming a democratic country which will respect its women and minorities. The US has already pulled back the majority of its forces from Afghanistan and is looking to complete the drawdown by 31st of August, ending nearly 2 decades of its military presence in the country. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.